guys, I just got the explore more from your information show. Keep your activity on hold on your top fan badges. मुझे जो फैन बैजेस मिले देखिए कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 बैजेस काउंट करता हूँ वन टाइम. आई विल ट्राई टू काउंट दैम. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Sorry. 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 39, 40. मुझे इनके नाम लेने चाहिए. सॉरी गाइस, आई विल रिपीट अगेन. बेंजामिन फ्लिक्स, फर्स्ट वन. काइल एव, आई डोंट, let's call him Nick. And Michael Gallo, Victoria Lynn, Walls Graves, Richard Jackson, Jimmy UHL, and oh boy, let's go Gunman, Guzman, not Guzman. He's a gunman, good guy. I watched his video too many. Sean Richards, Jay McDonald's, Jay Carl Owen. ये अच्छा कार्ल गायब हो गया था अभी. कार्ल वॉज like despair from the screen. And JBM Eager, सैयद निगाह अली, काजमी, ये हमारे फ़ैन हो गए हैं भाई. सूर्या भाई, डाउनी जूनियर होता तो मज़ा आता. लिस्को आरवी, डाउनी जूनियर. थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू ऑल गाइज फॉर गिविंग मी योर बेस्ट बैजेस, top badges. Sky Stewart, Tony Morway, Prodite Rina 37. Why should a guy put a name of Rina? Rina is a girl name in India. I belong from India, so I know that. But I don't know. He's from different country. Maybe there's a caste difference or anything else. It doesn't matter. Caste doesn't matter. But and now Mariana Rios, and once more Liga Charlene, Joseph Houston, Steve Blankard, Janet Davidson, Angela Yager, Dennis Coltas, Nikki Weems, Mariana Rios, Dennis Coltas, and Liga Charlene, Joseph Houston. Houston is, I think Houston is a state. I don't know. Houston maybe should need to be state. I don't know. Angela Levis Jackson, Carton Meadow Angelo, and Divya Misal the Hardrum Singh, बिल जोन्स, बिल गेट्स होता तो 1-2 बिलियन डोनेट कर दे भाई. 1-2 बिलियन. गो फंड मी प्लीज़. ओनली 1 बिलियन. 1 मिलियन भी चलेगा. $1 million इज़ इनफ फॉर मी टू लिव माई लाइफ. बिल गेट्स, इफ़ यू लिसनिंग, प्लीज़, I will send you my account number, then donate, or I will send you my QR code so you can donate 1 million, 2 million, 10 million. Bill Jones. Maybe guys, you guys, please guys, I'm sending this video to uploading this video to my YouTube channel @Iron Rawat 21. I have got only 1,000 subscribers, 1,700 something. So 700 or 70, 1.7K था तो I don't know. 1.7 means 70 होता तो 7, I don't know. तो सारा का नाम थ्रू सारा Cornine, John Denner, Muthunu Sand Mul Akru. Sorry if I'm taking someone's name wrong, but I'm not that good at reading. Uh, I'm good at reading, but I'm it's it's for me it's like it's not I'm not doing anyone's insulting, not, but what I say, I have no words to say, but just like this, I can't able to pronounce some names, and sorry for that, guys, really. And I appreciate that you gave me your best badges, top fan badges. So A start again. John Denar, Walter Cole Jr., uh, Womack Norris, Sipura, yeah, Pura, Pura, Womack Norris. Okay, one name was missing. It will come back later. आ गया जिम शेवा, लेमर बुश, होली मारिज हेवंस, हरवन विवर, कैली थॉमसन, डॉग ब्यूरल, रोजी वेस्कुल, गैब वेस्कुल. Sorry if I Rosie, I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. uh, Vas Vasquez, Rosie Vasquez, and Gabe Ashley. One name also missing. It will be come back. It will be back soon. And Andreas Pedros Zelin Soren. Soron. Nitsat या है Sun Eclipse. Gabe Ashley के बाद Sun Eclipse. Nitshat Nitshat what's I call that? Nitshat. Sorry, bro. It's Neil Reps. Gnil Reps. Nitshat Gnil Reps. If I'm pronouncing your name, I'm really sorry. But I appreciate your fan badge, top fan badge. Andreas Peter Jaren Soron. Second times. He gave me 2 times my top badge. I think I'm a big fan of his channel. Brian Martin, Yunan Jeromelo, Maya Rider, Sheng Huang, Lorica Theron, and Lorica Theron, Sergio Sanchez. I think I am pronouncing this name perfectly fine. Okay, Yolabi, May Kolabi, और Dave Roach, जो name is Lorica Theron girl, Dave Roach name was missing. Now it's came back. So Sergio Sanchez, Yola B, May Colabola, Kabola. Sorry guys, I'm not able to pronounce the name clearly. I don't know why, but it's hard for someone to pronounce different countries name, people's name. Like my name is Manoj Singh Rawat, and I go for my channel name is Iron Rawat. I put my name Iron Rawat because it's my gaming name. I played from 2016 to 2023 Final Fantasy 15, and then I left. Almost wasted 700k and got nothing. So I am now broke. I'm broke like hell. Bartley B, Ringmaster, Joan Marcos, Sarabia, Joan Marcos. So guys, I will try to earn some money through YouTube or from I need your help too. I will upload my uh, upload a thing which you have to scan, and then
Incoming
then it will be yours to put money there. Nathan Tanner and Darren Willis, Billy Wing, Eknew Davis, Joseph Kim, Xavier, Tara Brandon, Noah William, Blanken, Owen Michael, Higher Times, Running Half, Jonathan Davis, Dalton McGrodon, Mr. L is
incoming voice call from
constantly,
Furkreef 2 on SIM
he's
SIM1.
constantly, sorry guys, he was interrupting again. Dalton did
Incoming voice.
Mr. L, Sean Jenner, Richard Shaw, इनकी ऐसी की तैसी जो भी हैं ये घटिया लोग, क्या बदतमीजी है. चैड रॉको, कोरी हॉगरी, जस्टिन वॉक, कैथरीन मॉर्डन, शैली टर्नर, जेसिका चेतन, क्रेग ग्रेसन, जे ब्रैंड हॉर्स, फिलिप सेमर, फ्रैंकलिन विक, जो वॉकर, ब्रायन सैंडर, वेंस मर्फी, जेम्स हावर्ड जूनियर, सेकेट एस्टेक, जॉनी एरिसन, जॉन हरवन, एना सदन, मैरी जेन, मोजरी, जूनियर वेल्स, सोना शिवा, Notus Albrecht, Steve R. Warren, Tony Herman, Jesse Rose Davis, Andrew Castle, Joe 7 months, Joe Sherwood, Adam S. Russell E. Zaire, Joseph Rogers, David Bhim. Bhim is a god name, mighty one, like Thor. He is a Bhim, so like a Thor. Saint Lat, thanks for giving me a badge. 7 months, 4 months. Chris Hood, Ben Hackersmith. Hackersmith. I don't know it's a cast or his work. Hacker Smith. मतलब हैकर ये ही आई थिंक ये हैकरों को भी हैक कर देता है, हैकर्स को भी हैक कर देता है. ही हैक्स हैकर्स. आई थिंक हिज जॉब इज बैंस जॉब इज hacking the hackers. Good job, my man. And Courtney Lee Hunston, Bob Lee, Allers Book, Brooke, Robert Holmes, Holmes, sorry again, Alken Cooley Bong, Corey Bell, Eric Less, Philip Jones, Hubert Amaja Adolfo, Latin Max, Stephen Spokes, Lori Jarvis, Marley. Name are not going, it's increasing, not decreasing. Greg Henrik, Eric Candy, Sam Sua, and Davy Noobs, James, Christy, Adams Shepherd, J Junior, because I am unable to read middle name of his. Sorry for that guy, my man. No hard feelings. Please forgive me for that if I am wrong. And now I am like a balcony. It's right there. So let's start again. Norbert, Richard, Gerlach, Fleetfoot, Inzi Marie Green. Please marry me. You are so beautiful. Naz Mary Green, Megan Rose Brandt, Jalen Robinson, Rob Adelson, Nick Duke, Richard Wilkinson, Patricia Justice. Patricia, you are already, but I loved Murray Greer. Hope you are single, so we can mingle. Rob Anderson, Nick Duke, Richard Wilkinson, Patricia. I don't understand why. Mm, just, just Patricia. Okay, Patricia name is right. Okay. Rotricus Mayor, डेली लास्ट एंट्री वेन वेन जॉन वेन आपका नाम होना चाहिए था, पर आपका नाम है वेन जेफरीज। जेफरी, गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स, थैंक्स गाय। जे फॉलनर, जस्टिन टेट, जस्टिन टेट, आई हर्ड दिस नेम बिफोर। स्टीव सॉब्रिज, एलेक्स एलेक्स कीन, जेस वुल्फ वेनेस्टर, क्रिस रैकनर रैकनर, नाम याद दिला दिए। बहुत ही बढ़िया जो होते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसका, एपिसोड्स, जैसे गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स, इट्स माय बेस्ट सीरीज। गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स इज़ माय बेस्ट सीरीज। वेट guys, wait for guys, battery is down, so I'm putting it on charge. Okay, it's charging 36%. So where was I? I was in Jess Warner, Chris Ragnar, Dylan Brinks, C. Joanna Eile, and Vivian Wilt, Bhaskaran, Rose Krolik, Clark Hernandez, Sal Catalano, Mike Patrick. What the hell? Jeff Tarrant, Jason Lawson, Jason, okay, forgive me, Loro, no, Caramello Lombardi, Darren, okay, Helder Flip, thanks for giving me the fan badge, 2 months. Cash Frame, thanks for again, Cash Frame. Alex, thanks for the top fan badge. Matthew Fields, thanks for the top fan badge. Janet Schefter, Quinton Barron, Johnny Peter, Joseph Ferrer, Milbert Lauren, L. Midberg Jr., Ivan T. Jim Yellow, Cecil Hertz, Richard F. Shaver Jr., Josh Armstrong, Jan Bat, Johnny Cotignani, Johnny, okay, Andy TU, TY, thank you, Jata. I met the guy, a black person in India, in Goa. His name was TY. He said me TY. His name is TY. He's a really cool guy. First time I met someone from outside of India, because I live in Uttarakhand, UK. Uttarakhand, it's a Himalayan range and beautiful place. Wish I will show you in next
Incoming
footage.
voice call from
दीदी का फ़ोन भी आ रहा है, इन्होंने मेरा नाश मार दिया। ये बार कॉल कर रहे हैं। ऑफलाइन मोड पर डालूंगा तो फिर रिकॉर्डिंग हो जाएगी क्या? ऑफलाइन मोड पर डाल के, हाँ, कहीं पोस्ट तो मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ। तो एलन राइस एंड कॉल करी दीदी, यहाँ अभी करी कॉल दीदी यार, हद है। एलन राइस, पीटर Clementon, Eric Barron, Davidson Collins, Godwin, Olive, Menzel, Mustow, Kathy Mehta, Elogo Franco, Cody J. Ruth, Dell, PMVG, Seppo. I think it's enough, but it's rolling, it's still rolling, I don't understand. Thanks for the help, thanks for the top fan badges, guys. And it's still rolling, and I think from 7 months to I reached 3 months, I think 2 months top fan badges were left. I will upload that video too, again, that top fan badges I have given, and every name which I announced to you guys, I will try to reach them and give them this video, that I thank them for giving me the top fan badge, and hope they like and subscribe my channel, and hope you guys too like and subscribe my channel, which is Aaron Rawat 21, and footage of uh, bike in background, and 1K subscriber, you can see that, and a woman with iron, so she was in blue color, woman in blue color, uh, like blue color, lightning, and chain, surrounded by chain, and lightning, blue color lightning, like a powerful woman. Cody J. Ruth Bell, PMBG log. Okay, this is for today. We will meet soon, guys. With camera and all. This is phone, so that's why this is too much. Hope we meet. I will make a video once again. PMVG, and after that, whatever comes, I will send you and upload the video to give you guys, and hope you like this video too. Okay guys, see you soon, and please like and subscribe and help me by giving videos, so I can uh, upload them, and peoples and viewers of my channel can enjoy them by the help you, and whoever send me the best video, and I will put his name on the video. If he wants, if he wants to put his footage for picture, I will do that too. And if he want to send a story, then he also can send me a story in my private message or my email address, or in, of course, in uh, Facebook. You're offline. Okay, I'm offline. Now I'm going online. Now I'm online. Oh ho, that's why they are not working, because you are now connected. I went offline now. Joey, Acampo, Brian, Ran, Matt, Boyd, Chris, Fulton, Lee, Loomis, Mike, Simon, Kevin, Beto, Greg, Devon, Melissa, Friday, Tessa, nice name, Tessa, Rodriguez, Lewis, Jonathan, Ellen B, second time, Ellen B, second time, and you, 2 or 3 people and gave me top fan badges 2 3 times. Oh, thanks for that. John Andrew, Danny, Matthew, Scott. I'm unable to read further. And Bestry Foster, Laura Adams. Nice name, Laura. Thomas G. Dele. Thomas, nice name. Melis MB. Editor to Dude. Flay is good name. If I'm pronouncing now wrong, then I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, guys, because I'm unable to read their real names. I put the fingers on. I hate that. Rafael, wow, that's a jet which destroyed the Pakistan. We don't want war, but when needed, then it happened. We are only people, so I only support our country, which is India, and India never support wars. So I love my country. Tammy Anthony, thanks for giving me a fan badge. Virgil Janjana, Megan Johnson, Richard Hurst, Dennis Campbell, Mitchell, Odie Bonnets, Bill Price, okay, John Raftery, and Raftery. Nick Doming, Vikrant, it's Indian guy, Vikrant. Jagaramundi. Jagalamundi is a name. Vikrant Jagalamundi is an Indian guy. I don't understand Jagalamundi. So maybe South Indian guy. I'm North Indian, not South Indian. So I love to be here in uh, Dehradun, and I live in Chakrota. Chakrota, we call Chakrota, surrounded by mountains. Surrounded by mountains. बैक कैमरा का ऑप्शन होता तो मैं, इफ देयर इज अ बैक कैमरा ऑप्शन, आई विल शो दैट टू यू. लुक, आई विल चेक इफ देयर इज अ बैक कैमरा ऑप्शन. नो बैक कैमरा ऑप्शन. आई विल गिव यू, आई विल सून गोइंग टू visit Chakrota. It's only 27 kilometers from here. Then I will post the beautiful views of Chakrota and riding, of course. Best for riding, bike riding, car riding, and romantic ridings, romantic hotels and spaces, places, beautiful places, huts, everything is there. But it's a hill station, and like Mussoorie is too much famous in Uttarakhand. Like Rishikesh. Rishikesh is better. Rishikesh is a good place, but Chakrota is better than Mussoorie. 100 times better than Mussoorie. Mussoorie is nothing. Again, if we put two things in comparison, then Mussoorie is 1%. Chakrota is 100%. Chakrota, Tuni, and everything else. Nice places. Windows logo is failed against the view of Chakrota. Jack, Herman, Bill, Jürgen, Matthew, Adel, Jonathan, Amanda, Harvey, Vikram Bell. Okay, thanks Vikram Bell for giving my badge. Rory Talbot, Ryan Williamson, Lisa D, Liano, Harriet Doe, John Wall. John Wick होता आपका नाम तो बहुत बढ़िया होता, पर John Wall is good too. I'm not saying your name bad, but it's good too. Elizabeth Normet, Christopher Wren, Jude Andrew, Lenin Gracious. मैं तो पढ़ते पढ़ते सुबह हो जाएगी. देखिए आज सुबह हो गई है, मतलब रात हो जाएगी. डेविड ग्रांट, होली, रुजमन कैमी, राजेंद्र मोहन कश्यप, ही इज इंडियन. ग्रीन मार्क रिचर्ड, एंड रिच डेविड, Serena, Greenland, Chris Angel, C. Wallace, Kabir, Eric Hill, Asmar, John Connor, Cromer, Avang Jamil, J. A. Wheeler, Pete Stunder, Jamie Wren, Jamie. Okay, guys, it's time to put this one on and go outside. I am tired of being standing here. So beautiful, most कमाल का मौसम हो रहा है. So there's the view. So you can see, if you are able to see behind the view, you are not able to see mountains, but there are mountains. Hope you can see mountains only from here, 10 kilometers. Mountains and rivers and dam. So J. A. Wheeler, Peter Sunder, Ali, thanks again all you guys. I really appreciate all of you guys. And Mark, Rizal Custo, Dave Wayne, wine. Romy Krista. Abhi, if I'm naming someone wrong, so please forgive me for that. Okay, guys. And Romy Kristen or Kings, and I'm unable to read that. Sorry for that, guy. For that, thanks for the top your badge, top fan badge. Toby Popa, Toby Popa, Popa. Okay. Stephanie Robinson. Thanks, Stephanie. You have a nice name, by the way. Diamond Nicole. Diamond. Send me at least 70 carat diamond. 70 carat. No, send me 1 million only. I can live my whole life in 1 million. I want to purchase a SUV which cost 20k, and I am unable to get 20k. So I am not that rich person. So that's a guy way. I'm not that much rich person. So it's a dream. Hope it will become true. It will come true. Bad mind ever rough. Nice name, by the way. Bad mind ever rough. Maria. Sorry, I didn't pronounce your name you first, Maria. And Ranin, bad mind rough. I love the name Bad Mind Ever Rough. Randy Nunning, Dylan Hornbuckle. Hope I'm pronouncing name right. Pam Cable, Jake Carter, and Josh, Deborah Lynn, Longford Lewis, Andy Laz, Howard Adams. Adams, I love Adams. All I watched Adams all to for 4 episodes of second series. First I watched first series, whole series, and second one only watched 4 episodes till now. I'm going to watch. I watched animated and real movies of old movies of Adams family. I watched all movies of Adams. I'm fan of Adam movies. Okay. I'm a big Hollywood fan. MCU, DC. I never, I never left those movies. Once they uh, launched their movies, I went on second day because first day in India there's no ticket available. Indian people loves Hollywood movies. They hate Bollywood movies. Bollywood movies are stupid movies. They are really stupid and they are traitors, like Gandhi and uh, Congress Party, which support Pakistan. They are Indians and support Pakistan. So basically, we living with uh, our enemies. Uh, Here in India, they support Pakistan, and they support Pakistan. It's like living with animals. It's like not animals living with. Of course, they are animals who does not love their country and love enemy country. So they think their religion is bigger than their nation, and we think our religion comes later, but nation comes first. So if you think that, so please like and subscribe my channel. If you think that way, that your nation comes first and your religion comes next. Religion, when there is no nation left, what will you do with your religion? When you will be refugee or dead by the enemies, what are you going to do with your religion? Religion is good thing, not a bad thing. It supports moral support, gives moral support. It helps in everything. but I think in my way, my nation and everyone nations should come first, then humanity. When you support your nation, humanity comes first. American are call themselves huge economy, top economy, and 48 trillion World Bank loan they have to pay to the World Bank. I think they, because bank is in their country, so they enjoying their money. uh, I don't know uh, how much depth on India, but I think it's 31 billion, or not in trillion, definitely sure not in trillion, but how much loan? 38 trillion basically. World Bank running America. America is not. If you think America is the best country, it's not. I've seen the footages of people using shitting on buses, seats, and streets, uh, bus seats and streets, and very dirty minded and call Indians bad. Really, guys, if you think India is bad, come visit me. Uh, Send land on Delhi, then to Dehradun, and then message me when you land on Dehradun. Message me, and I will send you my location and a taxi which will take you from Dehradun to my home in only 2000 rupees, which is in your currency is 85, almost $200. $200 is bigger. $100, 8,000, $100, $50, $10 हो गया. Okay, so 20 to $50 they will, uh, but I hope in 2000 rupees try to exchange money, use Indian money when come to India, because if you give dollars, your dollar is 85 rupees in India. Your $1 is $85 rupee in India. I don't know other countries, but dollars and Russian. We are working with Russia, supporting Russia, because Russia supports us. We support Israel, and we support everyone which are peaceful, which support their peoples, not like Pakistan, which killed Palestinians for money. So I hate those guys. Kendra Lee, David Arjoma, Gene Mark, Howard Adams के बाद हमने पढ़ लिया था Kendra Lee. It's raining, guys. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining here. Okay. So Michael Allen Vance, George, Andrew, Brennan. I'm unable to worm Boo name. Anthony Aston, Christopher Scott, Stephen Paulsen, and Louis Daniel, Court, Orloff, Michael, Skerman, Horn, Aaron Hanks, FF, Gary Lincoln, Quentin DeMacro Gallery, Nabil Hussain. He can be Indian or Pakistani, or I think maybe from Emirates or Dubai. Frank Annan Jr., Colin Wentworth Perry, Rance Reyes, Philemon Unity, Eric West, Christian Baker, Landon Lesley, James White, Paul Hurst, Dribble Mudge, Daria Zemlenia, Daria, yeah, beautiful name, Daria, Kevin Douglas, Jojo topping, Jojo toppings. Okay, Jojo toppings. You are you are beautiful. Oh. Hope I can see your footage. Top patch. Okay, you are beautiful. Kendrick Megalens. Ramdal Youth Sushil. Ram Dayal Youth Sushil. He's Indian. Slingan Chris. Dean Ketcherry. Mike Toro. Raymond Pizzaro. George Gergio. Sherry Gills. Luciana van der Berg. Custer Krisma. Karen Torrever. Rui Masuda Jr. Jules Ann, Richard Allen Lewis, Chris Ross, Ben Ferry, James Chris, Greg Espel, Austin Chris Delver, Praise, Carson Williams, Andrew Bates, Thane Strope, Julia London, Trindle Fro, Mac McGilden, Gerald Cogan, Tommy McNeese. One name is missing. Christopher Cox. Christopher Cox. Hope I am reading right. Aris Patricia Nanola is unable to pronounce to me. Nanola. Nanola. Okay, Anila and Anne Gill. You guys are beautiful and thanks for giving me the best. Richard Kent, Ariel Rensky. Abdur Abdurrahman Haliru, Abdurrahman Haliru, Adam Scott, Michael Teckham, Mac, Mark Alec, Louis Davis. It's raining again, and too many names. Jesse Polaski, and raining. It's raining, so I'm hiding from rain, but I'm going to read all the fan badges. And Annie Mary, Cherry, Seth Komari, Abbas Shah, Jonas, Betty Sharp, Douglas Canning, Michael D. McDonald. McDonald is also a name. Okay. Sorry, it didn't mean anything wrong. Just curious that it's a name. And Wade Pratt, Michael Rice, Brand Baldwin, Margaret, Mike, Franz Lois, Ben Gold, Mike Allen, Brand Dubrichin, Michael Bowman, MJ, JJ and Michael Bowman, MJ, Daniel Marks, Emery Kidd, Oval Dayton, Hangston Michael, Octavius. I heard the name Octavius. Yeah. It's a Spider-Man Octavius. No, Spider-Man Octavius. Yeah, of course. Maybe I'm thinking too much. Keegan, nice name. Keegan Miller. Kurt, Robert. Ring sharing, of course, ring sharing. Mark Jensen, if you want to share a ring, or old, you love Indian old coins. I have got tons. I put a video on my channel. If you want to see the my old coin connection, you can check there. So, and George Green, Sajid Kadim Zakir, Ben मोहम्मद साहब फरहान मोहम्मद साहब को सलाम अलैकुम रोनल्ड कार्डोन रिचर्ड स्मिथी I was the fan of Smith, when he slaps the guy, the comedian, I hate that guy. Since I hate that guy, he slaps someone without thinking. He's sitting in middle of hundreds of people and he slaps someone, and that guy was still smiling. That guy has guts. And Smith, I really hate him. After that, I was a big fan of him. I watched his every movie. I Am Legend. I watched like 3 or 4 times, and Karate Kid because of his son. Then I watched, but after I see his fashion sense, he looks like a garbage. He wear clothes like a garbage, and it's called fashion. It's fashion. It's fashion. It's like simple T-shirt, cap, needed or no need or no need. Okay, watch, need or no need. It's fashion. Live simple, think high. But I saw him wearing a house type, only eyes and face like yeah, and a home was built in what type of fashion that was. That's a bizarre type of fashion mind, and only because he is Smith's son, he got the roles in movie. I don't think his sons are able to do anything in Hollywood. They will be not going to be accepted anytime soon. Only Smith is trying to John Smith. I Am Legend is I'm right or wrong. It's John Smith. His name is Smith. I know, but John Smith. I don't know. John, his name or not. His movie where two partners. I don't understand, but I forget the name. Uh, he's a cop with 911 car, 911 car. 911 is a bad day. Thanks to Pakistan, motherfucking Pakistan. I hate kill almost thousands of people in their innocent people and hided Osama bin Laden in Pakistan, and America is supporting Pakistan by giving them jets as a gift. So, so guys, what do you think? India, Russia, and China should join together or not? When you supporting America supporting terrorist country, India need to clear. India need Russian support, Chinese support. We don't think Chinese are our enemies. They call the Americans, or maybe American leaders, not all every American, think that way. But we don't think that way. We think Chinese are our friends. So back to name again. Where was I? Ben Shirley मोहम्मद साहब पे थे हम रोनाल्ड कॉर्डन रिचर्ड स्मिथी क्रेग ग्रब्स एंड्रे कैरिया वॉस एडम में फ्रैंक बॉयर एडम सलमोन क्रिस्टोफर रॉबर्ट TY like thank you Rollins TY Rollins जेनी गॉबलिन गॉडलिन कुछ नहीं नाम ले रहा सबके फैंस टॉप फैन बैच के Brittany Baptiste Hyde Taylor Baden Morenko Baden Morenko Marek Keleski Shirley Thompson Shirley you look beautiful your name is also beautiful Seth Bennett Brad everyone's name is beautiful sorry I That was a big mistake. But everyone name is beautiful, and everyone deserve better person. Hope you guys are enjoying your life. If not, come to India, land on Delhi, then to Uttarakhand and Uttarakhand, Dehradun, and book a taxi for Vikas Nagar. Oh, after reaching Dehradun, uh, after reaching before going before, if you have time to travel uh, to India for 1 month or 2 months, then you can come. I will show you the natural swimming pools, natural swimming pools, nature built swimming pools where we used to go, because I sold my bike, because bike and car, because financial loss. So I'm trying to buy one, but Americans get cars and everything's like nothing, but it's for me it's a big deal. At least I need $20,000, 20 to 30 or 40, oh, only 20 to $30,000 to get a car, and I don't have that much money. So carry on, guys. It's a life. We can walk. Brad Cuppy, John Brando, Nick Pulaski, Eric. Thanks, Eric, giving me Sony, Tyler Banks, Barton, Scott Z. Eaton. If I'm pronouncing name again, sorry for that, but your name is beautiful. Everyone's name is beautiful. Egbe Chinso Henry. I will call you Henry. Brad Odell. Brad Odell. Bradell. Brad Odell. Beautiful name. Musa. Musa Bhai. Musa is a villain in one of Hollywood movie, not Hollywood, Indian movie, which I don't hate Indian movies. I hate Indian cinema. Is I will clear you one thing first. Bollywood is uh, running by traitors of India, supported by traitor Congress party. Rahul Gandhi, if you know Rahul Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi is not Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi's full name is Rahul Firoz Khan. Firoz Khan, he is a son of Firoz Khan, and his mom is Italian, Antonia, which have she was from 1963 to 1968 a prostitute. Now she is now she is 400,000 rupees. She got 400,000 rupees. I don't know how. They looted India too much after Britain, after England. They this Gandhi. We call you guys like Gandhi, but we don't like Gandhi. Gandhi gave the prime minister seat to Nehru. Nehru was a very uh, not a PM type person. He is a cheater, traitor, and everything like Gandhi. Same. Gandhi is also. You guys think that Gandhi is uh, something poor, for showing him poor, for showing him poor, or full train should need to be empty. So for showing him poor, the stories tells which we learn from when Modi's government, PM Modi, our respected Prime Minister Modi sir came, they they get all the information out, all the information. Uh, they stopped the two numbers money, black money. At least 50 and 50 to 200 people died in Pakistan because he on 8 November he declared that new money was going to be introduced in India, and Pakistanis dies because they their godowns was filled with fake notes which they want to destroy Indian economy. And of course I don't want to name any country, but supported by their friends. Otherwise they don't have that paper which needed to get Indian money. So, so that paper they get from the help of the, I don't want to name, but you know who gifted missiles, who gifted jets to Pakistan, and who gifted useless things like Mission Sindoor, all the jets of which Pakistan have destroyed, missile destroyed, and self defense system destroyed of Pakistan. Not a single hit on Indian soil is able to reach. So one minus, I'm once Musa bhai. Levi Asa once again come to Antonio, forget my password. And anti-1, forget my password. That's good. DC Gridley, Craig Toronto, Torrente, Lee James Marshall, Samson Anderson, David Morris. Thanks again, all guys. And Adhiraman Daira, Eula, Marcus. Sorry, I'm not going to, because too many names. It's been recorded by, it's 57 minutes. It's almost 1 hour, and still name are going. Ben Halle, Sassoon, thanks. Dennis, thanks. Isaac, thanks. Ranu, thanks. Adrian, Christopher B. Larson, thanks. Stephen, thanks. Sasidharan, Sandra, he's an Indian, Sasidharan, South Indian. Thanks, Sasidharan. Jonathan Bowie, Jonathan Bowie, Brown, Jamie Brown, Azir Maiden, John Cardro, Richard Wise, Sophie Hill. Sophie Hill, please visit India and especially Uttarakhand. When you land on Delhi, from Delhi to Uttarakhand, it's only 6 hour journey from taxi, and you will reach. If you reach Delhi, then to reach tourist place, too many tourist foreigners come to visit there. Is the place hill station. You will see their camps in river sides. I saw them. But that time I didn't made a YouTube channel and didn't, without, here we cannot shoot or anyone without permission. We cannot make it's not America that we can film anyone. It's public place and I can film you. It's like insulting that man. We need permission. First we need permission to may I may I uh, may I get your footage or something like that, or interview? Okay, come back again to names. Rams, Suarez, Mike, Freefold, Ayer, Canme, Everaldo, Eddie, Farewell, James A. Hannibal, Colby Harris, Tyru Shaw, Chivi Wang, Kenneth James E, Michael J. Dutton, Stephen, AJ Kelton, Brand Mods, मोहम्मद सरकार सरकार रहे आपकी बरकरार मोहम्मद सरकार क्लिफ डेक्स्टर आई लव द शो डेक्स्टर माइकल वॉट्स मोहम्मद नासिर जॉन भाई जॉन ब्रो थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग मी द टॉप फैन बैच रेमंड एल्वर्ट्स वत्सो उमर बेला अहमद टॉट जेनेट केसर एम्पायर I think he running the company of Kesar. Mike Potts? Yeah, Iron Man movies, Paper Potts, Mike Potts. Love the name. D. Rabio, JSJP. And Imran Stanley, Will Webb, Kev Telly, Michael Raymond, Joel Rivera Johnson, Robert Larkin, Christian Lyons, Joseph LaFrance, Mated Brooks, John Lopez, William, Tom Ellis, Audrey Hooger, John James, Frank Trevino, Jared Resner, Mel Owenton, Jonathan Bromos, Bossmans. Bromos missile is our proud, and now its range gets to 600, and second Bromos missile is on the way. So we think we are doing good in name in under Prime Minister, our respected Prime Minister Modi. We Indians doing very well, very well. You can see all the houses here. All the houses are so many, much good. So the foreigners journalist shows bad part of India only to you guys. Come and visit India, and if you need a guide, I will help you and show you the places, nature, beautiful places, nature. But get your gears, everything. Want to sleep with riverside, and so we don't need permission for those things here, because I am Indian. If I am with you, you don't need any permission, uh, because I can call you. You are my friend, and they will not going to do anything, not going to say anything to you, and they will leave. Simpson, Cambry, Eric, Maral, JC, Boldman, Jonathan, Bromos से हो गया था बॉसमैन से, माइकल आर फ्रेंच, जैसन सी ली, टेरी मेलहॉर्न, सैम बेलर 3, Bro, Talentino, Brand, Bigelow, Caddy, Hartman, Chad, nice name, Chad, Scott. Once again, you are from Marvel movies, Scott. Ask Bor. I will ask Bor. When will you come to India? Theodore, Ralph, Chu Kok Hin. I think Korean, Japanese, or maybe Chinese, but I don't understand. As low as Paris. Paris footage is in his profile pic. Ethan Troy, Praso, Toughen Me, Kunjabi, Toughen Me. Sorry again, but nice name. And thanks for the fan badge. Macwell, Kels, Agni, and let's say Richie. Okay, thanks Richie. Musang Rangers, Bill Kurtz, Tongan Dio, Destin Link, Timothy Ginson, Emery Bailey, John Carlo, Violent Stendhal, Jason Pedden, Sebastian Lupp, Craig Riding, Saurabh Mohanta, Nicholas Urge, Amo Prince, Raymond Martin, Ian Banks. Ian Banks? 2 months. Alvin Vikas, 3 months. Sorry guys, Trevor. Sorry guy, I not able to read your name, but thanks for giving me the badge. Tom Huser, Teresa Page, Chris Wardock, Jonathan Crandon, FS Jack, Peter D. Jamora, Dark, Drake Dark. अभी भूख नहीं है ना. क्रिस रॉजर्स. आई सेड मेरे को मैंने कहा था मुझे नाश्ता करना है. मैंने ये नहीं कहा था मुझे भूख है. अब नहीं है भूख, ये खा लिया मैंने. Peter D. Jamora, Drake, Chris Rogers. He was my brother asking for food. Eat your food. So it's only 1 p.m. Okay, Chris, Michael Williams, Paul, Richard, Nico Van, Teresa, Vegas, Kevin, Kling, Wang, Danny, Mark, Parr, Eggleston, Walter Scott, Antonio Camera, Cameron Way, Chris Power, RJ Fister, RJ Rafael, Gus Frenes, Cameron Calerno, Pedro, Melon Joy, David N. William, Aaron Fox, Kelly Hudson, Brandon McFadden, Nugent Tung, Rico Callaghan, Dave Bassnett, Rusty Wackman, Christopher Peters, Gordon Lone, Thato, Trey Brown, Stephen Creed, Jeff Fraser, Raphael Edmondson, Martin, Lewis Hudson, Mandy Bush, Joey Crossman, Ray Jones, Aaron Dox, Jeffrey Joseph Ostman, Jeff Stones, Dominic Baker, Fenzo Baswick, Chris Milinkovic, Eric Amoa, Kevin Rice, Goat White, Jamie Turang, Davison Wright, Dylan J. Gomila, Orod RIV, Dasmond AS, Belanga, Joe Gang. Hope your gang running best. Stingray, 0 dose. Wow, nice name. It's the best name I heard today, or read today. Sorry. Stingray, 0 dose. Wow. Shireen Loud. Nice name, Shireen. I'm single because my girlfriend gave me a lesson which called cheating. So it was 12 years gone wasted on one gun. Then I didn't move forward, or like girls. How can girls move forward when guys don't even think about the other girls? She broke my heart, and I didn't even think uh, about other girls and talk to any girls, and mm, went for a date. Not a one time it come on my mind, because she hurt my feelings, my heart. She destroyed my life because I loved her so much. But I but I saw used condom on her bedroom. She was living relationship in Venice. Her name was Neha Kotyal. She was my childhood friend, and we were living in relationship, and when I left Dehradun and came to 30 kilometer away for job. So once I went at night with to surprise her. I saw a guy used condom, and I just closed the door and went out of the house, and I wasted money on her. I was stupid. I wasted too much money on her that I can't afford a car now. I I supported her mortgages and cars, school fees, tuition fees, and rent, groceries, everything she wants. I gave her laptop. Everything she wants, I gave her everything, because in my mind, she was my wife. She was my wife, and then she left me. Uh, I she uh, just I don't want to say anything. It's heartbroken for me. So guys, I need a bike or car to go visit uh, India. A tour. I need a tour. Almost for a year to visit India, but I need first $20,000 for car. And how I get $20,000? Which one should I loot? Which bank should I need to go and loot without gun? Because India, you cannot hold. I'm not able to shoot because I didn't ever touch a gun in my life, and I'm not that kind of guy that harass people or hurt people. I love going on tours with friends, but it is it's been almost 6 years, 17 January 2018 my father died, and since then I never went anywhere. I living in my home. It's like jail, but cool jail. I can do. I lock the doors and watch the videos. So that's why I got these many top fan badges. So guys, Hampton, Shireen, look, Shireen. That's that's the name I अब याद आती है. Shireen was name decided to our child. If girl was born, her name will be Shireen, and she destroyed my life and destroyed. She just abo- aborted the child, and 7 times, not once, 7 times. I hate her now. She called me after that, but I put her on blacklist. Once a cheater, always a cheater. We are men, we never cheat. I almost, as I can see, I didn't cheat anyone. I loved with I was still, maybe I am in love with her, but I'm not going to accept her. Hope I find some beautiful hearted girl, pure heart girl, which heart is beautiful, which mind is beautiful, which wants to live simple like me. I want to live simple like mm, going on tours, visiting hills, stations. These are my normal dreams. Bus, just nothing else. Joe BX, Tyler, Paula Armstrong, okay. Cameron Joseph, Jake Hughes, Bombay Malas, it's Indian, Bamboy, Bamboy. Sorry, boy. Sorry, friend. My friend. Sorry, my friend. Calling you, boy. Sorry for that. Get another also. Sorry, Carlos, Arvin, Lisan Chang, Leon Pietrowski, Eugene Anishako, Tom Peterson, Tyler R. Warner, Hakeem Gawil, Lohan Malvar, Rick Vibes, Armar Muhammad Al Masib, Medla Hoxai, Diamonds, John, Julian Safar, Saint Myers, D. Cooper, Devin Camber. Oh, my eyes are hurt now. Too many. Joseph York, Alex Johnson, Michael Newell, Barbara Hoster, Lawson Alban, Alex L. A. I. Alex A. I. Sahab. I want to follow him. If he's look his side. Oh, he's Western country. Let's see the video.
Tag heute, das ist 4. Vormittag. Lass mich nicht lügen. Das ist 6. Scheiß Mai. Scheiß Flugzeug steht noch. Ja, wir haben ein Ticket von den 26F. Die Sitzreihe gibt es gar nicht in diese kleinen Flugzeuge. Da haben sie wieder halt zu viele Tickets irgendwo verkauft. Unbequem war, dass ich, also als ich zu spät und ein Drecksflugzeug ist noch nicht abgehoben. Wenn aber auch 22.
And once more back Alex A. Saab. Where's Alex at? Colin Heller, Chris McGreen, Oscar Phillips, Cybel, Seska, Kramer, Kevin Simpson, Ronald Camunos, Michael Brown, Samuel Torres, Ringo, Andy. Ringo movie, I love that movie. Dirk Van, Albert Molinari, Jacob Sevens, Jordan Gilbert, John Weldock, Amber Schroeder. Please God, stop! Oh, they've already. Sweden Monastery, TIRTACA Heidi, nice name Heidi. Tim Bergerson, Bergerson. Sorry again if I'm pronouncing your names wrong. So sorry, guys. Rick Jackson, Scott Taft, and Jacob Jung, Michael Adam X, Andros, Jeffrey Evans, Stephen Dean, Adam Jolbeck, Elliot Wood, Ayman Huda Menon, David Minijusu, hope he is Japanese. Wes Denga Snipes, Marcos, Mama, what's the name? What's your name? Yeah. Murovich, okay. Johnson Perry, Queen Kong, AZMG2, Elizabeth, Andy Douglas, Thomas Paul Fraser, Jacob Hughes, Katri Bella, love the name. Khatari Bella, it's an Indian girl. I think Indian belle. Indian. Okay. Hope he's Indian or Latin, maybe. I don't know. Like, uh, people from foreigners knows that uh, from name which country he belongs, but I am not like that because I didn't went outside from Uttarakhand. I visited Goa, and I hate that place. Goa is not a place. It's a place of what's there's nothing in Goa. I hate Goa. I really telling you that, guys. If you want to visit, Goa is only famous for their uh, uh, beaches and nothing else. Food is not good and smelly fish food. I hate. You can't believe we went there for food and they gave us fish which was so smelly and salty that we have to left that and went 1 hour journey to KFC to eat food. Then when we reached back home hotel, then we walked around and searched the vegetarian restaurant where we whole week when we stay there we eat from that restaurant. It's called Baga Beach. Baga Beach. We are just 5 minutes away from beach, and Baga Beach is a chalk for what you call round, 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 where uh, your car square. So let's back again. KJ, M. Yora, Melody, Yon, Eris, Armadina, Rahul Banerjee. Thanks राहुल राजीव. अभी इंडिया के आगे लोग सारे लगता है मुझे. एरिस्टन आइंस्टाइन आइंस्टाइन आई एम रीडिंग राइट. एरिस्टोटल आइंस्टाइन होप सो. रेवंटी कमाटो, डैन हॉरन, टायलर कोबलर, टॉमी रोड्रिगस, स्कॉट वैंस, जे ब्रांसो, Tyler mentioned you. Okay, someone mentioned me right now, so I'm going to see him. So guys, sorry, last name Eric Scott Charlie Nathan Singh Kala, Siberian Bear, Joseph Lim Toronto Painting, Kenny Bell, Derrick Joe, Amber Peak, Curtis Harrell, Anthony Dixon, Ed Flag, Julian Mayo, Michael Simpson, Eric Nelly, Clay, Karen Elizabeth, Johnson, Jesse, Paul, Eric, Dios, Gabriel, Oda, Similia Santos, Nicholas Alexander. It's a warm, too much warm here. Paul Sims and Travis Miller, Joseph Nelson, Abdul Kundu, Gerald, Michael, James, Leon George, Corbin, Pawan Shetty, Michael Weiss, Please God Stop, Charles Selton, Normal Helton, Faith, Indaric, Scoops, Lamb, Wilkinson Lee, Kurt Kurtz, Ralph, Gitzer, Sanson, Urgus, Brian O'Reilly, Alan Sugar, John Evan, Gerald, Tom Kirkwood, Tom Levison, Rafi Jones, Lee Harris, Dave, Timberland, Kevis, Coleman, Jack, M. Jobs, Dennis C. White, Tuka Mojaf, Robert Backland, Marilyn, Lindsay Safin, Alan Yongo, Lou is Brittany, Lou I.S. Whitney. Okay. Thanks to David Knight, Vita Inslee, and Leigh Michael. Leigh Michael and Marquis once. Long live India, long live America, Russia, long live Israel, and long live Monte Montenegro, Montenegro, Joseph Tridon, Chirivan Akabushi. Nice name. Jeff Colby, Mohammed Rizwan, Mohammed Rizwan, John Reilly, Tot Paman. Let's call him Tots. Charles Edward, Ronald Paul, Gillian Graham, Jason, Carlem, Kengo, James Henderson, Carvey, William, Darcy, Eric, Peter. Top fans: Ralph Julius, William Burdens. Too many top fans, too many top fan badges, maybe. I think if explore more from the infographic show. Keep your activity to hold on to your top fan badges. Okay, I will do that after I read my top fan badges. Name Sina Derep, John Turner पढ़ लिया था. I read the Paul, William. Okay, Sina, Mathisa, your name is meaning in Hindi, in Indian language, it's called meetha, sweetness. हाँ, खा लूँगा भाई. माइक इंडिया पापा, खा लूँगा भाई. खा ले तू यार, 4 बार कह दिया कि मैं नहीं खा रहा. John James Harrison, Daniel Bros, Rex Monroe, Bob Feller, David Day, Kendall, Erwin Reside, Joe Shea, Gabriel Theodore, Homer, Bismarck, Onana, Toby Longmont, James M. Automaki, Tafel, Hardy, Rodolfo Algeria, Rodolfo Algeria. I think he is from Algeria, or I'm reading wrong. ABD Elf Rahman Helmi, Roshan, Indian guy, Roshan Podal, also Christian guy. John Regular Warner Coffee, I'm reading right. John Regular Warner Coffee, okay. Derek Hodge, Mario Gomes, Hope Selena Gomes. She was my crush. Then my crush was Harry Potter's girl. And when I watched Harry Potter, I was 4 years old, maybe 4 or 5 or 6 years old. Yeah, 88 birthday, and she's 92 born. She's 4 year old than me. Okay, 89th birthday, sorry, mine, and she's 92, so whatever. I'm single and good. Sean Bayer, Ariel Pink, Adam Kraft, Patrick Williams, Kyle Kenner, Ivan Castillo, Harris, Alexander, David Kenningham, Frank Madhara. Sorry, I am unable to read your first name. Anthony Dahlia, Alex Gorduke, Steven Dieter, Sorry, I'm unable to read your second name, Steven. It's Diaro, maybe. But sorry if I pronounced wrong. And Reynald Ray Forsen, Reynald Forsen, and Kilani Imran, Joseph Remmer, Randir Bond, Corey Ration. अब इधर लगा दो चार्जर ना, चल तो रहा नहीं वो. Corey Ration, Dorek Farm, and TJ, to Q Fam, Jason Beaton, जो भी हैं, Jeremy Sotis, Stephen Clark, Alice Erson, Eric Fall, Magnus, Ezio Kundu, Sayandeep, Ezio Kundu, Nicholas Holmes, okay, Chris Holmes, one more movie names, Holmes, Tiro Sitoro, Mohammad Hussain, Douglas Lekari, Jeffrey Flood, Austin Hayes, John Hobby, Brian Pennell, Eric Hammerman, Aziz Artiga, Caesar, Chelsea Rivera, Sandy Prince. Prince, if you are Prince, send me $50,000, euros, anything. I want to buy a car and visit India, not India, only Uttarakhand, my state. I want to visit. Then you can get your car back. I only want to visit because your name is Prince. You have too much money, I know. But whoever have too much money, just send me. Joking, guys. I don't know even. I don't even get money from YouTube. I don't know how to monetize channel, but I love to make, because I live single, so I love to make videos. And they are gave me the fan badges because I watched too much videos, so that's why I get those badges, which are not going to be ended. Andy Miles, Norman, and Lex David, Douglas Patil, Durgesh Patil, he's Indian, David Bitoker, Eric Ebron, Chris Paul, Bill Wright, Pedro Matos, Rory Thomas, Paul Kinnard, and Rodolfo Pedos, Harvey Helms, Annie Feta, Brand Dempster, Jesse Boyd, Fred Saylor, Nathan Webb, Lance Norton, Dakota Dalton, Fiona Berda, Stephen Ridge, Michael Gray, John Grew, Brittany Wilson, Kyle King, Gray Wilson, Miley Hilton, Flip Full Helga, Mercy, Amit Cameron, Alexander Murphy, Angela Jackson, David Nashman, Jared Helen, Stephen Petrobergen, James Pennington 2, Kauf Singh, Jonathan Hurley, Wilson, Bruce Michaels, Deep Xavier Duties, Nishant Singh, Indian, Martin Borgers, Ryan Williams, Chris Nativity, Huge Doc, Snyder's movie. Snyder's, please make better movies like Superman versus Batman. I like that movie. Everyone loves the new Batman movie, but I didn't. I don't like that movie. I didn't watch that after maybe 20 minutes. I didn't watch that movie. Maybe everyone saying that this movie was good, so I will try that. Time to try that movie once more time in 1.5x speed. Hope it worth watching. So I will try that. Okay, Johan Amir mean rich. So Johan, rich man, Amir, your name mean in Hindi rich person. send me $30,000. If you send $100,000, I will enjoy. Come to India, and I will show you everything, whatever you like. Everything will be available to you. Johan, people come to India, wasted their money, but never took guide. And I want to do a guide job in hill stations because uh, I love on tours. My driving in hills. I learn driving in hill stations. Like I said, I sold my cars. uh, I sold one car, one bike. I gifted a bike. Gifted, like, he needs the bike, and he said he will give me bike in 1 month or 2 months, because his wife when Corona, it's a time of Corona time. So his wife was in Delhi. We live in Vikas Nagar, Uttarakhand. So 250 kilometers away. So he pawned my bike, sent her 50,000 rupees. My bike was 200k rupees. In your way, it's only 5,000 rupees, $5,000 bike. So I didn't get that bike back. Not a money, not bike, not anything. So he is my friend, so I can't do anything. So he even get my money, almost 4 crore, which is 40 million rupees, and that's why I'm broke. That's why I have to sold my car. I trusted him so much that he stole 40 million rupees from me, which you can divide from 85. That's the dollars he stole from me, and because I gave him cash, so I can't do anything against him. That's my story. His name is Javed Alam. He's my friend and friend, so we are still friends. I said money is money, gone and gone. At least it was, but just it's painful that I don't have car and bike to go for ride and anything else. But just like that. Mary, Shahid, William. Sorry guys, I am only going to show you now names and whoever. If you see, read your names, guys. Sorry for that, because too many name: Mary, Chua, Ajay, Luke, Hamston, Ted. I invited you all, guys. Come to India, meet me. My name is Mohan Singh Rawat and Manoj Rawat. You can call me Manoj Rawat. Iron Rawat. Iron Rawat 21 is my channel. So Iron Rawat, leave me a message whenever you come to India, and I will show you the best places of India. Rivers and caves and beautiful places. Some places, there's a military zones like Area 51 where you can't go. So here are some places where you can't go, but you can go around them. So I know the places. We legally, we can go legally, like this is Area 51. We can go legally outside from that area. So I will be your guide to help you out. Muhammad Faisal, thanks. Holy Light. Okay guys, नेम पढ़ लीजिए आप. अब ये वीडियो 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा की हो चुकी है और बैटरी मेरी 11% बची है. पेन काउंटर, क्रिस सैडलर, Joseph Edward, thanks everyone. Thanks for giving me India, Martin, Marlon, James, Renskin, Wasid, Elicit, Carl, McDonald, Scott Thompson. Scott gave me second time. So guys, it's going on. So Daniel Mayer and Ray Ray. Now, by the way, Ray Ray, best name. If I get the beautiful girl, beautiful hearted girl, like I now my crush is Arya Stark from Game of Thrones, but I can't do anything. I'm broke. I I I was a rich person. I was a rich person. Now I'm not because I gave my money to my friend, believing that he will return my money. But he showed his colors and never gave my money back. Even he, uh, even when I gave money to someone else, he said, "Don't give him money back because he don't like to fight." Of course, I don't like to fight for money, but money I earned very hardly, which I earned very hardly, was gone, and now I'm broke. I have to sold my land to get a phone or grocery. I am basically jobless really because I built home for living and he looted me. He exactly looted me and my work was done that time. Michael Williamson's better name, last name Jake Simpsons. Guys, thanks, and this is the end of this video. And I will uh, J Jeremy Williams, Victor Elton, John Nolan, Paul Nefer. Screenshot taken, and I will, if you guys give me or at least 500 views, so I will send more more I will build one more video if I get 500 likes or 100 subscribers more. Almost I need almost I need almost 40,000 subscribers or 50,000 subscribers, but I got only 100 subscribers or 1,000, 1K subscribers. So guys, thanks and like and subscribe. I'm Rawat. I did too much today. 1.2. Oh, it's huge. 1.42. It's been 15 minutes left for 2 hours. Okay, guys, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Iron Rawat.